Hi, welcome to How to Kill Your YouTube Channel 101. This is going to be great. So, Throttle is doing a giveaway for a dream build on car or truck or whatever it is, car or truck that you want. I have a 3K GT. It's a VR4, it's a 92, first gen, not many of them around, and it's in really good condition for a 92. Um, but why should Throttle pick me? Right? Because on the entries to this giveaway, it said make a video on why you should pick me, or why we should get picked, or why they should pick me. Words are hard, and I'll tell you why they should pick me, because my co-host right here, come here, co-host, come here, says that you should pick me. Isn't that right? They should pick me. Aw, thank you. Yes, I am using a very pretty husky to convince you to pick me. That yes, I am. Oh, thank you. Okay, that's enough. That's enough kisses. We're being serious now. And be fun with my wife's WRX and I driving around the mountains, making content for this YouTube channel with two awesome JDM sports cars, and I have a Toyota FJ Cruiser as a daily driver. So there's three JDM cars right there in one family. Isn't that great? Isn't that fantastic? Plenty of content for me. So not only would you be helping me out by getting this car running and working for me, but you'd also be helping me out by giving me a tool to make content, which, now that I think about it, may not be a good reason for you to pick me because that's competition. But you guys seem to like a challenge. So I'm giving you a challenge in the form of a 3000 GT, and I'm giving you a challenge in competition for YouTube views, which you will destroy me in because I've got 11. But hey, anyway, if I win, I win. If I don't, I don't. Either way, this was a fun video to make. But my co-host says that I should get picked. So, again, at least thanks for the opportunity to enter into this and win. And to my subscribers and viewers and anyone else who watches this, please roast me in the comments for making this, because it's going to be fun. But I'm going to end this with some B-roll of my 3000 GT.